How to draw M3gan. First draw a circle, next horizontal line for face direction, nose and lips center lining. Now draw a vertical line 1/4 from top for eyes. Divide line into 5 parts, middle 3 parts should be of the same size. Draw a circle followed by eye shape. Now start the nose. First draw a circle and 2 other circles according to the shape of the nose. Draw the nose and follow the face shape. For the hairline part, from the horizontal line and start drawing the outline. Now draw the bow by starting with a small rectangle at the center and followed by the bow shape. Start shading. For hair curves, start from the top of the curve and then from the bottom, finally shade in the middle for perfect shading. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.